Okay, so we're going to go through and practice some more two-step inequalities. So we've got rules where we're multiplying or dividing by negative. So we'll cover up our x. Opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. 5s will cancel. Bring down a negative 2x. Our arrow. 11 minus 5 is 6. Negative 2x is multiplication, so the opposite is going to be division. Divide by negative 2. 2's cancel. We're left with x. So when we multiply and divide by negative, our arrow flips. So flip arrow. It's going to flip direction. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Then we have 5 minus x greater than equal to negative 12. So again, cover up our x. Opposite of 5 is going to be minus 5. 5's will cancel. Bring down a negative x. Bring down our arrow. And then 12 minus 5 is 7. So when we have a negative x, it's the same thing as saying negative 1x. So our operation is going to be division. Divide by negative 1. So those will cancel. We're left with x. So again, we're dividing by negative 1. Our arrow will flip direction. 7 divided by negative 1 is negative 7. Then we have x over negative 3 plus 4 is less than or equal to 2. So again, cover up our letter. Opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Those will cancel. Bring down x over negative 3. Our arrow, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Then we have x over negative 3. We'll times both sides by negative 3. 3's will cancel. We're left with x. Again, since we're multiplying by negative 3, our arrow will flip direction. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. Okay, rule 2, keep x on the left. So we're going to practice solving on the left. So we will cover up our x. Opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. 4's will cancel. 16 plus 4 is 20. Then we have 4x. We'll divide by 4. 4's will cancel. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So when we rewrite this, we're going to have x less than 5. Since we rewrote it, the arrow will flip direction. So it's x is less than 5. Okay, so again, cover up our x. So it's a fraction. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to multiply both sides by 4. 4's will cancel. 4 times 3 is 12. Bring down x minus 2. Opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. 2's will cancel. 2 plus 12 is 14. And then x. So again, we're going to rewrite it where x is on the left side. Arrow will flip the other direction. So we get x is greater than 14. We have negative 7 greater than x over 4 minus 4. So again, cover up our letter. Opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. 4's will cancel. We're left with negative 3. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Bring down our arrow. X over 4. So x over 4, we're going to times both sides by 4 to get rid of the fraction. 4's will cancel. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And x, so again, we're going to rewrite it. So x, flip your arrow the other direction, and then negative 12. So x is less than or equal to negative 12. Okay, so for the back, no rules, so these are just basic solving. So again, cover up your x. Opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. 7's will cancel. We bring down 6x. Our arrow, 5 plus 7 is 12. 6x is multiplication, so we're going to divide both sides by 6. 6's will go away. We're left with x. Arrow, 12 divided by 6 is 2. So our next one, we have x, cover up our x. Opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. 5's are going to cancel. Bring down x over 2. Our arrow, negative 5, negative 7 is negative 12. X over 2, we're going to multiply To get rid of the fraction, 2's are going to cancel. We're left with x, our arrow. Negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. So x is less than negative 24. Okay, so our last one, x over 7, x plus 7 over 3 is less than or equal to negative 2. So again, cover up that fraction. The x, we're going to get rid of our fraction and multiply both sides by 3. We have x plus 7. Our arrow, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Then bring to the opposite of addition is going to be subtraction. Those cancel. We get x. Bring down our arrow. Negative 6, negative 7 make negative 13. Okay, so both rules means it's going to have to flip our arrow and x is on the left. So again, solve it like normal. We're the opposite of minus 11, which is plus 11. Those will cancel. 9 plus 11 is 20. Bring down a negative 5x. Divide by negative 5. So 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. Our arrow, and oops. So on this one, I forgot, we've got to flip our arrow. So our arrow is going to be facing the left side. So we have negative 4 less than x. So if we rewrite it, it actually goes back to the way it was facing. So x greater than negative 4. Okay, so again, cover up our x. We're the opposite of 9, which is going to be minus 9. 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Bring down our arrow. Bring down negative x. So again, we're going to add a 1 in front. So negative 1x is multiplication. So we're going to divide by negative 1. Negative 5 divided by negative 1 is 5. Our arrow will flip since we divided by a negative. And then we have our x. And then we're going to rewrite it. So we get x greater than equal to 5. And then our last one, so we can cover up our x. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. 5's will cancel. We're left with x over negative 2 and our arrow. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. This is division, so to get rid of it, we're going to multiply by negative 2. 2's canceled. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Since we multiplied by negative, our arrow will flip directions in x. Then we're going to rewrite it where x on the left, so we have x less than equal to 6. So now you're going to have your own to do on your homework.